Hey everyone, just doing a quick little informational video about a topic that I find kind of interesting, and that topic is how fish get their color. Fish get their color from pigments contained within their cells, and there's a number of different types of pigments that the fish have. The first one is melanin. That's just your basic blacks and browns, earth tones, pretty much. It's the same stuff as what's in your skin and hair. And it's produced in fish the same way as it is in pretty much any other animal. It's just through metabolic pathways. Then the next type of pigment is your carotenoids. Those are your reds, oranges, and yellows, your warm colors. They come from organic molecules produced by photosynthetic organisms like algae and plants and all that stuff. Therefore, all the carotenoids in fish is acquired directly from their food. A lot of the fish foods that you feed your fish actually have carotenoids added to them. An example of this, you'll find it listed in the ingredients, and forgive me if I pronounce this wrong, but it's the astaxanthin. And carotenoids, along with other pigments, often serves a role in attracting mates. Carotenoids in particular communicates that they have good access to resources because, as I mentioned, they get it from their food. It also communicates that they are in good health because the carotenoids act as antioxidants. And the last type of pigments that I'm going to talk about are the structural pigments. Those are your silvers, blues, and greens. Those are made out of crystallized structures of often made of guanine. It's one of the components of DNA, just like packed into like a crystal form. The crystals for the silvers are more organized, and therefore somehow I don't really understand the physics behind it all, but that makes them more silvery and whatever. And the blues and greens are like less organized, and somehow it makes them so they like scatter light in such a way to give them the blue and green effect. You often see your fish change color in your tank, either when they're like spawning or their mood changes or a number of other different things. That's caused by those pigments moving around within their cells. Now if a fish wants to change from a light color to dark color, the pigments move from the center of the cell. They're concentrated in the center, and they spread out and then to the edges, and that makes the fish appear a darker color. And then conversely, they can move those pigments inward and make them go from dark to light. The movements of the pigments can be controlled by the fish's brain and by their hormones. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a fun little informational video. Like I said, might have to do this again sometime for when I don't really have any groundbreaking, earth-shattering news about any of my tanks, and I just want to get a decent quality video out to you guys. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and all that stuff if you haven't already. I believe that covers about everything, so thanks for watching. Later.